What up? What up? What up? What up? So y'all already know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? Got an order in. Kind of already opened it up. I was excited, and I was like, "Damn! I forgot I gotta do it. I gotta do a video." But you know what I'm saying? This here, I got actually more on the way. This is just the first batch of it, the first bulk of it. I got a couple more orders on the way. So you know what I'm saying? Let's get right to it. Got to keep the tea. Everybody loves the tea. Everybody loves the tea. So this is the lemon. 3 of the lemons. 3 of the lemons. Hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Shoot me a message. I deliver local and I also ship. Got a packet of raspberry. I got a raspberry. And then, oh, these guys. I got some NRG. You know what I'm saying? Got the NRG. And then, of course, we got everybody's favorite. You know what I'm saying? Got the Nutraburst. Got the Nutraburst. Got the Nutraburst. Alright, so, you know what I'm saying? I keeps the product on hand so that way, you know what I'm saying, whenever there's the outage or anything like that, you know what I'm saying, I still got product for you guys to order. So to get your hands on these products, you know what I'm saying, like I said, the CBD itself, I don't know if I've really explained live what this stuff does for you. So, you know what I'm saying, with the CBD it provides a general detox for your body. So it cleans out all the, you know what I'm saying, all the parasites and toxins and stuff that's in your gut. And definitely helps out with weight management as well. So you don't necessarily, this is not a diet tea. This is a detox tea. There's a big difference. If you do want to lose weight and, you know what I'm saying, change the way that you look, then yes, you might want to diet and definitely use this as a diet tool. But you don't necessarily have to use this tea as a diet. You can actually drink this tea and you know what I'm saying, and going on about your daily life. Eat what you want, or you know, however you prefer, and lose the weight gradually. You know what I'm saying, over time. But if you are someone who likes to who's looking to, you know, get fit, you know, get in shape, you know, change the way that they look, then yes, definitely this tea, along with the lemon tea, you know what I'm saying, you can use as a dietary tool. You can use this tea to help you lose weight. Hold on. All right, so that's the CBD tea. The NRG, this is an energy booster. So for all my energy drink users, this is an energy booster. So basically, instead of drinking your Red Bulls, your Monsters, your Rock Stars, you know, all those other things, this actually is the greatest alternative for it, because it doesn't have any of the bad stuff that's actually in those energy drinks, and it doesn't have it gives you jitters. It doesn't give you jitters and sudden burnouts. And it also is a calorie blocker. It can actually burn fat, and it can also actually block up to like 360 calories, if I'm not mistaken. So these are really good to use. I haven't taken these yet myself. I actually will try to probably take these here pretty soon. I got some samples that I haven't given out yet that I will probably use and try to take along with this. So yeah, man. NRG, and then like I said, once you detox your body with the CBD tea, you know what I'm saying, you gotta put the good stuff back in, and so this is where the Nutraburst comes in. So basically, with the Nutraburst, this is a liquid multivitamin, has over 72 different minerals, 10 different vitamins, and a whole bunch of different whole food greens and 12 different herbs and amino acids. So, you know, this is definitely like your all in one right here. So basically, after you're doing the detox, in the mornings and stuff like that, you take this 1 capful a day, first thing in the morning, and this will give you all day energy, pretty much all the energy that you need throughout the day. And that's why this does not stay in stock at all. These go pretty quick. These go very quick. So with that being said, guys, this is just a brief opening, box opening, you know what I'm saying, a grand opening there of the product on hand equals cash on demand. So if you want these products will not last long. These products are actually almost half sold. So if you want some products, if you want some tea, some Nutraburst, or if you want this NRG, definitely shoot me a message, and we'll work it out. I take all payment options, and I do deliver and I do ship. So if you're not in Columbus, Ohio, then I can deliver to you. There's a shipping fee. So we'll work that out. So with that being said, guys, that's it. Deuces. I'm the plug. I'm out.